This clip is going to go over how to create filters in Employee Dashboard. So a couple reasons you may want to create a filter. If you import a manifest and you want your salespeople to focus on that one manifest, you can create a filter and say, hey everyone, go in this filter until everyone's called. Now you can also grab phone calls that have come in the last month, have a specific team listen to those phone calls. You can go after internet leads that came on in. So creating filters, it could be great depending on how your workflow is, and this is how you create them. An Employee Dashboard, managers will have this access to create these filters. You have this AZ with a little filter, so if you click on that, it opens up Filter Manager. A bunch of different options here, sales, service, task, that you can create these filters off of. So just going through this, you'll name it up top, the filter category, wherever you want this filter to live. Now we move on down to the sales event that we're looking at. So we're looking at a sales event. If you only want the user to be able to see events they're assigned to, you're going to move this current user my over to this box. Now if there's a specific tracking code that you have that you only want this filter to view, you would move that over. So in this case, if I hit save here and I click on the filter, I would only see a sales event with Craigslist as that tracking code. Now the sales status, you don't want salespeople calling lost sold customers, so this is where you would choose maybe just unqualified customers, and if you chose internet. So this filter would be looking at any internet lead that came in that's still in an unqualified status, and we can call those customers. Besides the sales event, you can also do it off of to-dos. So if you want any open to-do, any open outbound phone call to-do that was due in the last month or so, you can choose that, create a filter, and those salespeople will be able to complete all those to-dos that were due in the last month. So that's how you create a filter. You can get very specific with what you're trying to target here. That's an overview.